Alright. I'm at the beach and I'm insane. We just had a Maine nor'easter. The sun is going down. There's ice in the water. And I would say it's probably all of 12 degrees out here. Maybe colder. He looks like he's got something. We're using DFXs with a ELF butterfly on each of them. Mine has the mine is the 15 by 11. He's got the 8 by something or another one. And we're just, there was a great big super tide. And you can see we got all these holes. I've been digging here since the sun, about 3 o'clock this afternoon. And so far all I've got is a penny and a lot of aluminum and traps, lobster traps. You gotta love metal lobster traps. So, we're gonna keep hunting, see if we can find something before we turn into popsicles or the ice builds up on the top of my metal detector any higher than it is. Because it's pretty nippy out. And it's already got ice building up around the edges. Alright then, until I find something, I'm signing off.